Before we start this video guys, I just want to let you know that I got all these likes from the method that I'm using, so please make sure you do follow my steps, and that's it. Alright, so let's get into it. Hello and what's up guys, I Lock here in this video. So first of all, I want to thank you so much guys for your support and every single thing you do for this channel. Second, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to be replying to every single person. Third, I just want to give a huge shout out to the people who commented on my last video, so thank you so much guys, I really appreciate that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a lot of Instagram likes, a lot, you don't even know. Super easy guys and simple. All I gotta do is hit like and subscribe to my channel, and that's it. So first of all, you gotta download this app. I'm gonna put the link of this app in the description. So all you gotta do is just click on it. It's gonna take you straight up to the app store. Download this app and open it. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. You open the app and you will get the best tags. So what you gotta do is click on the best tags right here, and then you gotta, like, let's say you uploaded a picture, so what you gotta do is click on any of these, the hashtags. For example, I'm gonna be using fashion, so I'm gonna click on copy and then go to Instagram. Alright guys, so let's upload the photo that we want. For example, this one. Click on next, paste, hit OK, and then share. So this is the first step that you gotta do. Put some tags. Step number 2 is go to like celebrities, like for example Justin Bieber. Click on follow, and then follow the people under him. And basically that's all what you gotta do. Follow a lot of people. Like celebrities, not people. So let's go to likes and see what we got right now. As you can see here guys, I'm getting a lot of likes and followers too. In only 47 seconds. Alright guys, so thank you so much guys for watching. That was actually the end of the video. That's all what you gotta do guys. Just follow the steps and basically that's it. Thank you so much guys, and peace out. Peace.